back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little like how-to video, how I wear my half wigs, because everyone always is like, oh my gosh, your hair looks so nice. So I mean, it's, you know, half of it's my hair and then I just add a little, you know, voom in the back. So yeah, so if you want to see how I do my half wig, stick around. What we're gonna do is basically you want to just pick the half wig that you want to wear. This is just this is the brand It's a Wig. Supposedly it's tangle free, but I mean, it definitely has had tangles before. I've worn it like a couple times. So like the back here got tangled, but the top part, I mean, I would say the top part is tangle free. And this is called Dallas Girl. And it's in the color 2. So I don't have streaks or anything in my hair, so I didn't get like a, you know, 2 mixed with another color or anything. Pardon my voice. I'm so sick. And pardon my face because I'm on my scarecrow status. I didn't do anything to it yet. So first of all, I just like took my scarf off. Like I wrap my hair at night. So I just want to make a part. And the part is just like, this is the part that you're gonna leave out. Like this is your leave out. So me, I just leave like, I don't do like this little like I do a good amount. If you can see, I go from like here to here, so it's like a good amount of my hair that I'm leaving out. So this is like, well, my bangs are growing out, but this like used to be my bangs. So yeah, so I'll leave that part out and I'll just start combing it back because I'm just gonna pin it. I don't wear a wig cap, I just pin it into like a bun. Of course I have this off the shoulder shirt on and it's like keeps going like up and up. I'm like, stay down, stay down. Keeps going up, whatever. Okay, so I have my leave out ready. It's kind of hard to like see because my mirror is far away, but usually I'll be like this close to the mirror doing it. Okay, so, and I leave a little bit like behind my ears out also, just to kind of like try to blend the hair, blend your hair with the half wig hair. So if you can see, I gathered it all down here and I just twist it up into a bun here. Bobby pin it up. I just use one bobby pin. If you have like longer or thicker hair, you might have to use a couple more. And the back, like a little bit can be out, it's fine. Okay, so then I will like kind of push it to the side and see how it's trying to fall. Because depending on the day, sorry, my nose is running. I'm so sick. Depending on the day, like sometimes my hair wants to go this way or that way. You know, depending on the day, like the hair varies. So I just let it fall. Like I'll do this and see how it's trying to fall. So like these bangs are trying to go here. Sometimes they try to go this way. It just depends on how your hair is falling. So then I'll take my flat iron. And this is just, I use the Remington flat iron. Or you can use a curling iron. Or if you want to just wear it straight, you could just put the half wig on now and blend it, but I'm just going to curl it today just to, you know, give it a little extra zhuzh. So now I use this, this is heat protector. So this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. I usually use the ice one, but I can't find my bottle. And you know how you have like 10 bottles of stuff? I just was like, let me use this one because this is the one I could actually find. So I'll just like spray it all over my leave out if I'm gonna use heat that day. Like sometimes, like honestly this, I don't really have to curl or flat iron. I could just blend it myself. But I'm just gonna, you know, just blend it like for the sake of the video. So I usually would do like spiral curls. I just do that to So just like really quick. I don't put, like, I usually don't even use heat on my hair, honestly. Maybe like once. And oh god, my flat iron's making my lights flicker. Ah, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so sick. All right, let me hurry up and do this because the lighting is like insane. There we go. I think this is a little too hot. It's steaming. It never usually steams. Oh boy, we're cooking with hot grease over here. Oh my god. All right, let me hurry up and do this. So yeah, if you can see, I just section the hair and just flat iron it to just, well, it's curling, but it's gonna be like a soft curl because you're using a flat iron versus a curling iron. Yeah, so if you can see, like, I don't leave it on for long at all. It's just to give it like a little bit of a bump. You know, like a little bump. I mean, some people don't like a bump. They like hair straight down to their face. But me, I like a bump. I like a bang. I like a bump. So, yeah. I don't always wear half wigs. I mean, I love ponytails, personally. But you don't want to, like, pull your hair back too much. You start effing up your edges, you know. So if I'm going to wear my hair down, either I will, like, pin it up in a bun like this and just wear my bangs out like how I have them now, or I'll just like throw on a half. And you could get a straight half. This one's a little bit kind of like wavy. I like this texture because if you get a bone straight one, then you have to make sure your hair's like bone straight and matches it. Whereas if you have this wavy one, you could have that straight hair that I had just a minute ago, or you can just curl it like just a tap. It's not like I'm doing pin curls. I'm just like, you know, I mean like spiral curls. I'm just, you know, just putting a bend in it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, here's the half wig. Okay, I'm gonna take this part, the comb part. This part you're gonna put by your part here. So obviously I can't see. I just kind of feel my way. And I put it like a little bit before the part. Put the comb in. Then the other comb you're going to put in the back of your hair back here. Too bad I don't have a cameraman or I could show you that part. And then I just like flip it back. Okay. Of course I dropped my comb. Then, now this is what I do. You could just pull all your hair back, or if you like to leave a little bang out like I do another part here. That's why I kind of leave a little bit too much hair out. So I do another part here, like a second part, to try to kind of put my hair on top of the wig hair and blend it. So if you can see, I'm just covering the little bump here. So I take my hair, make another part, put it over. Okay, I'm sorry. I cannot see that far. Let me get another mirror because I'm so blind if you didn't know. Yeah, so, okay, so I'm taking a part of my hair and just putting it over the bump here. Just so that the bump won't show. Okay, that's what I needed. Okay. So I think that's good. So I do that part first, and then I kind of, well, let me turn off my flat iron because I don't need it anymore, and it's making my lights flicker. So yeah, so then I take a big paddle brush. You can get these at the dollar store, or if you want to be fancy, you can go to the hair store and get them. Yeah, so they're called a big paddle brush. This is the best for brushing wigs and weaves, in my opinion. And then I just blend it. So I'm like blending my hair with the wig hair. Okay, and this is where I kind of like play with it a little, like see how it's falling. Like I don't really like this part right here. So I'm just gonna kind of like play with it and see how it wants to fall today. Sometimes, you know, you put it right on and then it's like fabulous, laid and slayed. Sometimes you gotta work with it a little bit. So today we're gonna work with it a little bit. Let's see here. It's like I have like one gray hair right here, and I'm definitely gonna cover it. I totally cover my grays. It's so funny. Rather than dyeing all my hair for like 3 gray hairs, yeah. This is my first hair video. Everyone's like, you should do hair videos. I'm like, really? People want to see me put my half on? They're like, people don't know how to do a half. I'm like, good idea. Of course, my shirt's riding up some more. This is supposed to be giving shoulder fabulousness. There we go. Okay, so the next part is optional. I don't really like to mess with gel or mess with my edges, just because I like more of a natural kind of edge. I don't mind if it looks a little bit poofy. To me, it looks more natural that way. If you would like, you can use like gel or edge control to, you know, kind of slick down your edges. Honestly, I'm not a fan of it unless I'm wearing a ponytail. Like if I'm wearing a ponytail, I'll put edge control on, but not typically. So I'm just gonna do like a little, like the littlest tap. You can see I'm just doing like maybe this much and just kind of like smoothing it down just a little bit. This is the Design Essentials Sleek Edge Control. I also, like, I don't mind jam. I know people don't like jam, but I mean, I don't mind it. There's another one, it's called like Crystal or something. And there's another one, 24-hour edge control. So yeah, so you could take that and then you could just like, if you want to really lay it down, you would just go over top of that with a brush, over top of this edge control with a brush. I'm not going to do all that because I just don't really F with edge control and gel like that. I think it thins your hair, honestly. Like, I don't like what it does to the edges. I don't like how, I just don't like it. And you're ripping the brush through your hair. Like, that's not my scene. Okay, so yeah, so this is the final look. Yeah, I'm sure you'll see it in a couple videos because I'm gonna film after this and do something with this face. So yeah, so leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you like the hair tutorial or want more or have a request for a certain brand. I usually get my half wigs either from the hair store or there's a website called hairsisters.com. They're really inexpensive there, and I use I wear synthetic ones because it's like I'm wearing it for a couple hours and taking it off. I don't need to get like a real one. It's not like I wear it 24/7. So yeah, the synthetic ones are very inexpensive. Like this one at the hair store was like $26, but I think online it would probably be like $15. So yeah, so try one out, see how you like it. Until the next video, deuces.